I would say if somebody asks me what's the accuracy of the Voortman, it's a 16th, because I'm going to double what I see. I see it as a 32nd, though. It cuts pretty accurate for anything you need. It's going to be right there.
The Voortman machine is more accurate when it comes to the measurement side of it. We have found that after the beam is produced and we go out there and we measure it and we QC it, that the beam is being more accurate than it was before. There's a lot of accuracy to the Voortman machine.
My experience with roller feed is about 16th to 8th inch. 8th inch on long beam.
This has been far and away the most accurate, repeatable equipment, and we've had the best support out of any system that we've purchased. So we're getting consistent output from all of our operators on all of our shifts, where in the past, a lot of times it might vary on the skill of your operator, or their work ethic, or their ability to problem solve. So the automation has made it much more consistent, so we can really plan our work out, and it's just been, it's been wonderful.